Guys, we're doing barbecue beef ribs on my Royal Gourmet offset smoker. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? Well, it's a beautiful day out here in Southern California. The cars are driving by, ruining my shot, but that's okay. It's okay. We're gonna have fun today anyway. All right, guys, so I have some beef back ribs that have already been cut. All right, so they're individual ribs, kind of like Hollywood cut, a Cadillac cut. I'm gonna put those on my Royal Gourmet offset charcoal griller smoker. We're gonna use combined charcoal and wood today. I have some regular Kingsford Blue in there. I have some Kingsford hardwood hickory charcoal briquettes in there too. And then I'm gonna throw a little pecan wood chunks on there just to add a little extra smoke. All right, got these beautiful beef back ribs, and I'm using a little Uncle Steve's shake on there, the spicy R, I believe it's called. The spicy one. It's I tried it. It's got this wonderful flavor, this little heat finish, but not too much. I thought it would go great on beef ribs. And then he sent me this little jar of homemade barbecue sauce that we're gonna slather on the end once we finish these up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wrap these or not. I'm still kind of toying with the idea. So you'll have to come along and see how we end up doing these things. So let's get this fire started and have a good time. All right, come on back. All right, let's get these beef ribs on. All right, I'm gonna check these in about an hour, give them a spritz. We'll do the dang thing. All right, guys, we're about 2 hours in. Got a face full of smoke. It's looking pretty dang good. Still looking pretty moist in there. Might move around a little bit. Starting to get a little pullback on them bones. Looking pretty good. Going, coming up on 3 hours. Still looking pretty good. They're temping out. See, check it out right here. It's temping out at 170, 72, 74. I think we got some work to do on these. 180. This one, I think I was. Let's see. Let's try it again. 184. All right, I'm gonna give these another hour. Then we're gonna sauce them up and let them set. I'm not gonna wrap. I feel like these are probing nice, and they're probing pretty tender. They're almost tender. Sorry about the the shadow. There we go. Now you guys can see the bark is not quite set, but we're getting there. All right, guys. We are 4 hours in this cook. Bark is nice. We're about 192 on those. I think it's probing tender. It's like butter. It's going in real nice, real easy like. I'm digging it. I'm gonna go another hour, but I'm gonna sauce these up. All right. So Uncle Steve of Uncle Steve's Shake sent me some of this homemade barbecue sauce he's testing. So we are going to lather it on. I tried it. It's very tasty. Got a tomato base. You definitely taste that. But I'm digging it. I think it's going to complement this rub really well. We're going to get the sauce on here, let it set. I don't think you guys need to see me painting all these bad boys. They do look good, don't they? Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, I'm gonna finish painting these up. We'll let it go for another hour, And I think we'll be ready to pull these off. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, let's get these in the house. Take a big old bite of one. Alright guys, we're back. Got these bad boys off the grill. I gotta tell you, I already taken a bite. They're freaking excellent. I don't mind saying that I jumped the gun on this one. It's so good. It's so tender. So smoky. Alright guys, that's it. This is awesome. Easy to do. Just takes a bit of time, right? I'll put a link below for Uncle Steve's Shake. Like I said, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. It's good stuff. Check it out. If you want to get yourself one of these offset smokers that I got, the Royal Gourmet, click the link below and I'll pin it in the comments. If you guys want to get some Cooking with CJ merch, Teespring store down below. Everything's down below. Check it out. If you guys want to be part of CJ's crew for real, hit this Patreon link. Take you over there. Give you some certain benefits that you don't get on YouTube. You can do a little bit more on Patreon. Small fee per month. It's all good though. Alright guys, until next time, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.